Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. So for this project I have used 4 mm crochet hook and milk cotton 4-ply yarn, and also we need scissor. So you can use this flower in hat or headbands or in baby shoes or in any baby items. So hope you will like it. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and for more new videos please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now make the petal. So first make 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 3 treble crochet. Wrap yarn 2 times. Leave these 2 loops. Leave these 2 loops and leave these 2 loops. 1 treble crochet. Now make the second one. Two and 3. Now make 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make slip stitch in this ring. So this is the first petal. Now make the second petal. Make 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 3 treble crochet. Wrap yarn 2 times. Then insert hook in this ring. Then pull up a loop. Now leave this 2 loop. Leave this 2 loop and leave this 2 loop. 1 treble crochet. Two and 3. Now make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make slip stitch in this ring. So this is the second petal. Now make the third petal. Make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 3 treble crochet, one, two, and 3. Now make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now slip stitch in this ring. So this is third petal. Now make the 4th one. So first make 3 chain. First make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 4 treble crochet. Make 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make slip stitch in this ring. So this is 4th petal. Now make the last one. First make 4th chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make 3 treble crochet, wrap yarn 2 times, insert hook in this ring, then pull up a loop, leave this 2 loop, leave this 2 loop and leave this 2 loop. Then again make the second treble crochet, two, and 3. Make 4th chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch in this ring. Now give a knot and cut this extra yarn. Now turn the work. Secure this extra yarn like this. You can also use needle to secure it. Now cut this yarn, extra yarn. So here is a hole. You can use beads. So now here is a hole, so I will cover it with this beads. So now I will use this B6000 glue. So I will use this glue all around this flower, this hole. Then give this bead a time to dry. So now it looks more beautiful than before. So hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.